Srimati Snehalata Nath has devoted her life to the cause of eco-development, livelihood and sustainability among the tribal people of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve through their own knowledge and experience. She is one of the directors of Keystone Foundation, which functions across 8 centers in the forested tri-junction of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Their main focus is conserving and developing the ecology and the economy of the tribal region through technology, livelihood, green enterprise and environmental governance. Appropriate and need-based technology, designed and introduced by the Foundation, has improved the quality of life drastically while ensuring good quality and value-added agricultural and forest produce, increasing employment opportunities locally and eliminating migration of people to urban areas. The Foundation encourages capacity building, product and market development, community self-reliance, value addition, income generation and fair trade practices. This has led to tribal communities organizing and managing their operations independently. Through the technology provided by the Foundation, the villagers are able to transform honey and bee wax into products like wax soaps, lip balms, pickles and jams, which are promoted under the brand name Last Forest. The Foundation has done substantial work to protect the environment, ranging from conservation of soil to the preservation of indigenous and rare seeds through seed banks. With the goal of widening their reach, the Foundation, over the years, has provided extensive training to villagers, NGOs and government departments in diversified activities ranging from sustainable honey harvesting to training in management. Snehalata Nath, through this organization, has reached out to and impacted the lives of 5,000 families across 89 Adivasi hamlets with the help of a young and cohesive team of 50 volunteers and 35 staff members comprising of professionals and local Adivasi people. She has also applied the same model through an NGO network in Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Meghalaya and Andhra Pradesh. Snehalata Nath strives to combine ecologically sensitive development with rural enterprise while preserving the tribal traditions and lifestyle.
Honorable President and distinguished dais and friends in the audience, Namaskar, Vanakkam. I am actually from the Nilgiris and I represent some forests and fresh mountain air. Keystone Foundation works there with Adivasi communities on eco-development programs. We are a young and busy team trying to balance conservation of natural resources and enhancing the livelihoods of people. Our journey began with bees and honey in the hills, and our lives got attached to the people who collect them from high trees and cliffs. Over time, village centers were set up to promote value addition of forest produce and organic agriculture products. Products like honey, beeswax, millets, shikakai, amla, coffee, spices are all processed and packed by women in the villages. And this increases the local income and employment in the region and has enabled, through a series of technologies applied and developed in-house. These include like solar dryers, dehusking machines, wax melter units, some soap making units, and they use normally renewable energy and are aimed to reduce the drudgery of work mainly done by women. The award will act as an incentive for us at Keystone to do better and reach out to a larger number of people in India. In a time when development and growth in India is being projected worldwide, making it a global giant, I would like to appeal to all here to keep the needs of the rural communities in mind, communities for whom forests and water is of primary importance, not only for their livelihood but also for their culture. Thank you.